Okay, if you are given with an incorrect IUPAC name, paano mo malalaman or paano mo i-correct yung kanyang IUPAC name? Okay, so dapat kailangan mo munang i-drawing yung structure nung sinasabi nilang incorrect IUPAC name. So for this example, okay, so paano ito daw, 2,6-diethylheptane is an incorrect IUPAC name. Ngayon, pinapahanap sa atin yung kanyang correct IUPAC name. So, first you have to draw the structure. And in drawing the structure, we are starting with the parent chain. So, the parent chain is heptane. So, heptane is 7 carbon atoms. So, we have 7 carbon atoms. Okay, single bond yan. So, you have, so yan, 7. And on the second and sixth of that heptane, meron tayong substituent alkyl na diethyl. Remember, ethyl means 2 carbon atom. Dalawang ethyl group on the second. So if I am numbering this from left to right, this is my carbon 1 and this would be carbon number 7. So if this is carbon number 7, okay, this is carbon number 2 and this is carbon number 6. On this carbon number 2 and carbon number 6, I have ethyl groups. So ethyl is composed of 2 carbon atom. Okay, so alisin natin to dito muna. Okay, so dito natin ilagay. So you have the ethyl. Okay, so after you had the carbon skeleton, you can now identify the hydrogen. So this one will be, let's have another color. So this one will have 3 hydrogen. So this one is 3 hydrogen. Sorry. Maganda ang ating stylus. Okay. So this one will have 1 hydrogen. This will have 2. Still 2. Still 2. This one will have 1. This one will have CH3. This one will have 2. And this one will have 3. Still the ethyl group will be CH2 and CH3. Okay. Looking at this one, sabi niya, paano kaya siya naging mali? 2,6-diethylheptane. So, paano natin siya i-correct? So, i-consider natin yung mga rules in naming. Looking at the structures, okay, so erase lang muna natin itong unnecessary. Okay. Looking at the structures, hindi talaga heptane ang longest chain because rule number 1, you have to look for the longest chain of carbon atom and that would be the parent chain. In the incorrect IUPAC name, the parent chain is heptane. However, looking at the structure, ang longest chain of carbon atom is not 7. Okay, ano ang longest chain dito? If you're going to look at this one, okay, so this is the longest chain of carbon atom. And this one would be the parent chain. So how many carbon atoms are there in this longest chain? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 carbon atoms. So therefore, the name of the parent chain is, so paano ang kwan? Sorry. Okay, so saan ba natin susulat dito? Okay, so that would be the name will be no name. Okay? If that is no name because of the 9 carbon atoms and single bond, so we have A and E as the suffix, so the parent chain is no name. Now, ano ang hindi na isama sa parent chain? So we have alkyl groups. The identity of these alkyl groups is methyl. Why methyl? Because it only contains 1 carbon atom. However, there are 2. So that would be named as dimethyl. Okay? Dimethyl, and their location is on carbon number. It's no longer on the 2, and then it's no longer on the 2nd or on the 6th. However, this is carbon number 3 because this is carbon number 1, and this one would be carbon number 7. Okay, this is carbon number 7. Pag dito tayo mag-start. However, kapag ang counting naman natin ay if this is carbon number 1, still this is carbon number 3. Okay. And this one still would be carbon number 7. So either way, 3 and 7 pa rin ang ating locant. So therefore, that would be 3,7 dimethyl no name. So, wrong ang pangalan na 2,6-diethylheptane because if we're going to draw the structure and following all the IUPAC rules in naming alkane, we come up with the correct name, 3,7-dimethyl no name.